I wanted to show you this sprinkler system that I put in yesterday. I've had a sprinkler system in my garden for years, so it automatically waters it. Used to use the orbit valves, and I had trouble with them stopping up. I've got a separate video about these valves, these new ones that I put in there, and how they work and why I switched to these if you want to watch that. What I wanted to show you today was I don't have an underground system for my garden, and I bet a lot of other people don't really want an underground system for your garden because you want to till it and you want to move things around and you want to do stuff like that. So this makes it possible to have basically a portable sprinkler system for your garden. This one sits in a large box and it connects with 3/4 inch garden hoses. So this is the inlet. It comes in there, and I just leave this on all the time. Comes in, and then this manifold is built here just like a normal sprinkler manifold. But then when it comes out, it goes back to 3/4 inch hoses that run to the different sprinklers that I use to water my garden. That way I get automatic watering, but I don't have to have an in-ground system. I don't have the expense of that. I don't have it in my way, and I can change these things up. So I'll put a link to these valves in there in case someone's interested in that. They came from, I believe it was Sprinkler Warehouse. Like I said, I'll put a listing in there for you. These are actually made for, quote, dirty water, like, because I use pond water to water my garden. So if you're using lake water, stream water, something like that, that might have a little algae or something like that in it, those orbit valves were stopping up on me, and these are not supposed to do that. The control wire comes in using just a trailer wiring, so I can run 3 valves with that. That's just wiring like you would use to hook up a trailer to your truck. It's got both ends on it, and so I can unplug it right there, and I can take the hoses loose, and then I can take this inside where it won't freeze during the winter, and then bring it back out in the spring and hook it back up. Now these fittings right here, they transition from 3/4 inch PVC to a garden hose. I'll list them in the description. There from Home Depot is where I get them. I'm sure Lowe's and lots of other places also have them. They come in male and female. All right, well, I hope this was an interesting idea to you. Thank you for watching.